Hi everyone, welcome to My Creative Year. I'm going to show you my old organization. If you can look behind me in this picture, you see this wire closet organizer that I had in my old house before I moved it from one room to another. And that was all great and everything, but however, having said that, you'll see in the next picture, I had issues with this wired closet organizer. It was great for the shelves on the left-hand side of, or I mean right-hand side of the screen. You see these shelving, and that was great to put boxes in, but then I had no place to put my plastic drawers that I have, and I have several of these drawer, organizer kind of things, and I had no place to put them. They wouldn't fit on the shelves no matter how much I spaced things apart in this closet. It really didn't work out well, and so it was just not a good way of organizing it after the fact. So this was the old, new, old, okay? And in the next clip, you will see what I am dealing with now. It's my closet would have been like in my old house. Now in my new home, I do not have a closet organizer, but I'm finding that it works out better for me. So I'm going to show it to you in the next clip. Stay tuned. As you saw in the picture, I used to have in my old art room, the very first art room before I moved it in my old house to another room, I had wire shelving, and now I'm kind of back to the old, new, old again, where I no longer have those wired shelves and things, and basically a wired closet organizer. So I'm back to my old organization, and I kind of like it, and the reason being is when I had the closet organizer put in, I liked the shelf areas, but I didn't have an area to put, and I'll show you in a second here, I didn't have an area to put my plastic bins in. And so when I had the shelving done, I didn't really think about where I was going to put all my plastic shelving here, all the plastic containers, drawers is what I'm trying to say. So I'm back to this way, and I'm actually liking it better than having a wire organizer put in, although I'm thinking of asking my husband to put a wood shelf, one more wood shelf up here in the closet to give me another shelf area. So yeah, so this is it. So this is my old, new, old again, or new again, I should say, organization, and I'm finding that I like it better than having the wire shelving in the closet because it gives me space to stack my plastic drawers, which I have a lot of, and they are not cheap. Let's put it that way. They're not cheap. Even on sale, to me, they're not cheap. So this is how I've organized my closet. So this is the old and new, or old and new again. So here's my take on this week's old and new. So I hope that you enjoyed my little take, and that you will go check out the Facebook group for My Creative Year. Thanks for watching. Toodles. Have a wonderful day.